Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to download Python and put it on Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we go to Python download and we search it up on the internet. And then we go to downloadpython.org. We go to python.org. So based on when you search it up, there's going to be the latest version. It might change when you're watching the video. However, this is like the latest version for my time, 3/2/2023. And then we're going to click on download Python, and then it's already downloaded in my computer, but it will download it for you on the bottom left. And then you're gonna click on here, and then you're gonna see like the modification thing, and then you have to like click on yes, yes, make it administrative, and then you're gonna be able to see Python. And I want to cancel it because it's already in my computer. So I'm just gonna go to go to the, what is it called, the Python file on here. Let me go to files, file explorer, downloads, and as you can see that Python is ready for the download. And I'm gonna click on here, and I'm gonna click on modify, next, and install. So modify was successful. And then you need to get Microsoft Visual Studio Code to use Python. So we're going to go ahead and search up Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And then we're going to click on here. And then we're going to click on download it for Windows. And then click on download. And on the bottom left, you're going to see Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to cancel this because I already had the application. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to downloads. File Explorer, and then we're going to click on downloads and Visual Studio Code. So you're going to be able to see your Visual Studio Code in here. So VSC. So we're going to see Visual Studio Code here after you download the application. And then you're going to see here that Python is ready to work. So you can easily do that. There's also Java that you can download. So that was it for this video. That's how you use Python. Now you can easily do your homework or whatever you're trying to do. So thank you all so much for watching. That's how you download Python. You can also add external extensions for Python, like you can search up Python. No extensions found. It's probably because I don't have any extensions. However, if I download them, I will be able to see them. So that was it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.